What is up, my guys? It's your boy, Jack Danaher 2001 here, and I am with the box review of the Airplane Thomas, Hong-Mei and Rajiv playset. Now, sorry for the cringy intro. I've been excited to do this. I was planning for that for quite a while. So here is the box. And one of those imaginations in season 22. Like Thomas, I mean, what about season 22 is that had so many imaginations, so many fantasy sequences. It was kind of repetitive now. It's just watching this series. So there's the Airplane Thomas. I believe this part here is removable. That's my guess. I may be wrong. There's Rajiv. This is Rainy Rajiv. And there's the one we've been looking for. Hong-Mei from China. One of the sides. What's interesting about it, Thomas is looking up. Never seen that sequence before. So there's another expression of Thomas. Oh, so here are his stickers. So the back of the box is here. Here we have a Thomas that's looking up. Airplane part. I mean, you can put it on Thomas, or you can remove it if you want to. There's Hong-Mei, Rainy Rajiv, and you have to acquire stickers for it. Hurrah! Put stickers on this airplane. That's how you put the battery in. There's Thomas, Hong-Mei. You have to use the screwdriver for Hong-Mei. Rajiv is batteryless, I'll call it, or motorized-less. And you can couple up behind Rajiv. Or couple up behind Hong-Mei. I thought Rajiv is from India. Correct me if I'm wrong, but Rajiv is from India. Because of the crown and those stripes, he's from India, and Hong-Mei's from China. Alright, so let's go ahead and box this set, and this will be in fast motion. Okay, so here we have Airplane Thomas. And yes, I'm right, this thing is removable. And there's Rajiv. Apparently the funnel isn't painted in Italy colors. And there's Hong-Mei. So this one, some of my viewers have been looking forward to. But apparently, these are the stickers. To put this on Thomas. I'm not sure if I can do this on camera. I might have to do this off camera. I don't get why they decided to put the stickers or sticker decal. Try to focus this. Wow, it's kind of impressive. See, there's these little pads that put the yellow tabs in, just like in the episode. I forgot what episode. I forgot what episode that Thomas transformed into an airplane and went on the fantasy sequences. I forgot. Ugh. I'm not sure I should watch Thomas's Adventures Season 22 off again. Instead of calling it Big World, Big Adventures, I just want to call it Thomas's Adventures Around the World. Thomas's Big Adventures Around the World. But yeah, some of you will probably agree with me with the name. It's like, oh my god, you completely ripped off the title. It's like, yeah, whatever. Sure, I'll do this. I'm probably going to do it off camera. Just to make it easier for me so I don't have to do it. It's like, struggle with this sticker. I'm trying to make it perfect, but I did not. So the stickers are going to be a little bit sloppy. But what else I can do? What else I can do about it? I'm just a goof of a YouTuber. Just like all the other YouTubers out there that can be sloppy at times. Go ask anybody. Hopefully doing YouTuber a job like me. Even though I'm at a very low of subscribers. As of this video, as of this recording, I'm currently at 669 subscribers. I got 69. That's really nice. Very thoughtful. This year I got 666 subscribers, and now the curse has been lifted. And I've been subscribing recently. Thank everybody. Thank the viewers. Thank the fans. Thank of other people that have been doing memes and stuff. They've been subscribing to me since now I've been joining communities on Twitter and others. She says stop talking. I mean, I'm trying to concentrate with this. There. So we got the right side. And I got the right side. There we go. This is really, really bad. I think I put them on the wrong sides. Oh, these are on the right sides. It's just that the stickers are sloppy. 2019. Wow. Stickers are really sloppy. They're so off. I've tried. This is really bad. So many fans are gonna unsubscribe to me. Now let's take a look at Rajiv. The part of this set. I mean, these engines are very low detail. I mean, I believe they're supposed to be low detailed. They're kind of low detailed. I mean, just like Theo is. Unpainted buffers. Unreal. Unreal for unpainted buffers. This looks unstable. The way you look at this. It looks very unstable. Also, this wheel's painted blue, but not white like these. This looks unstable to me. I just don't get it because there's no back wheel here. He still has this crown and this funnel, so that's good. Using one of these engines I feel, they make noises. So you run along. And viewers, there she is. Hong-Mei herself. Now, this engine is similar to Rosie. I mean, it's the same shell, the same type of locomotive that she is, except it's a Chinese one. It's a Chinese locomotive, but it's built the same as Rosie is. There, I think I said it. I think I said it right and maybe wrong. I don't get it. How this is the same chassis as Rosie is, which surprisingly to me is kind of a wise choice because, well, they're the same size. Sure, maybe I'll get Rosie out right now. There she is. dusty, Rosie. There's a similarity. They're pretty close. Except for these sides. Are curve detailed? Yeah, the curves. Straight line. 2 domes, 3 domes in this. Wouldn't be interested if there was an episode between Rosie and Hong-Mei. But I feel like that will never happen. Because Thomas is always gone. The back is different between the two. I guess there's a couple of differences I can make. I mean, it's practically the same. Same chassis. This. They bought that the same day. 2006. Tommy, made in Thailand. Go figure. So I'm gonna put batteries in these two now. Start with Thomas, of course. Keeping the same drive unit for years in the Plarail ones. On the Trackmaster and Trackmaster 2, they always change. Run is good. I'm not sure if he can fly around or travel around in his plane figure. I don't know if that's gonna happen, honestly, because I don't know if he's gonna hit Hong-Mei when she is on the other side. Maybe I'll give it a test later. Or give it battery to Hong-Mei. I mean, just like Gumbao from China, the Hong-Mei is also meant something in Chinese. I practically don't know about because I'm not Chinese. I'm American. Irish American. Yeah, same drive unit. Runs as good as our #1 psychotic airplane, man, Thomas. What am I saying? Imaginative #1 engine, Thomas. So I'm gonna put this Thomas on the railway just to give it a test. And yes, he will be able to hit Hong-Mei. Someone should label it as top 10 betrayals. I mean, look. You will be able to hit her. How rude. So I'm sorry, younger fans. I'm going to remove this. Because I don't know if this is going to be good for this review. Probably not. I mean, just look in the set. Rajiv will come along behind Hong-Mei. I'm not sure this makes sense. I don't know. Let's give these two their runs. Alright. We're at the railway. And here, Hong-Mei and Thomas, they're going to run around the railway. Here we go. But yes, the next part is the hill climb. Here's Thomas's turn. And he's made it through. Easily. I doubt this will fit through this bridge. I'm not sure. Maybe we'll give it a test. Maybe we'll give it a test. So I'm going to stop Thomas for a second. And will his airplane parts can fit through? Oh, no. Oh, I just don't like it when I did that. The answer is no. You can't make it through here with this airplane parts. Weird. Sorry, Thomas. But you never do this. Let's try Hong-Mei, shall we? There we go. Hong-Mei's turn with the hill climb. And she did as good as Thomas did. Very impressive. Now, let's have a race. A race. So before we end this video, let's give a race between Thomas and Hong-Mei. So that's going to be pretty exciting, just like in the official season 22 episode where Thomas and Hong-Mei decided to race. I mean, Thomas got lost, but Hong-Mei decided to rescue him. Thomas got lost. He thought he found a shortcut or something, but he failed, and there wasn't a shortcut. So, no shortcuts, no cheating this time. 3, 2, 1, and here they go. Once again, it's 3 laps. Oh, Thomas is overtaking her. He's hoping to regain a comeback. Boy. Thomas has now entered the 3rd lap. And Hong-Mei has also entered the 3rd lap. But it seems like the race is over. Unless if Hong-Mei can make an epic comeback. Which seems doubtful now. I mean, she's right on his tail. But that doesn't matter now. As Thomas is the winner. Thomas won the race. I think Hong-Mei was pretty close. That was a good race. So YouTubers, there it is. That was the boxing review of the Airplane Thomas, Hong-Mei, and Rajiv playset. I didn't do things a lot with Rajiv. It's because he's not motorized. Although it's very nice, he's featured in this set. You know, I was originally going to make a custom Rajiv out from a Wooden Railway Emily. But now that this set came out, I decided, like, hey, maybe we should go for this. But he's going to need more detailing. I mean, the funnel is just plain blue, not like the Italian flag. He's really nice. I'll admit, he's really nice. I do like the detailing of the stickers. That's really good. Very promising. So, excuse me. We're going to talk about Rajiv first. Because he was created before May came around. So, let's talk about the main facts about Rajiv. He came from Italy, and he was part of the Great Railway Show. He was part of the Best Decorated Engine Competition, and he was the winner. He won the Best Decorated Engine Competition. Thanks to his natural beauties, and the reason why he had the luck is because of his crown funnel. So it's pretty strange, and like he loved his crown funnel so much that I believe he said that he has the best of luck with it. Yes, he appeared in Thomas's Big Adventures Around the World, which I'll call it short for Big World, Big Adventures. I'll call it Thomas's Big Adventures Around the World. And he appeared in a couple of season 22 episodes along with Ashima from Italy. He's a part of the Italian Railway. And there are others as well. And I think there was another diesel. I forgot what's his name. I mean, there are 2 Diesels. They are shown as major characters, part of the show. Rajiv is one of the main characters from Italy. I mean, he's supposed to be, since he appeared in the Great Race. That's all to say. I mean, I completely forgot about that. There are a couple of Italy episodes with Thomas. Interesting. What's interesting about this Thomas? I just don't like this airplane part, because look what happens when I try to back him up to the station. Pops off. I mean, it's very annoying, man. I mean, look how long this thing is. I was thinking of chopping this up. I was thinking of chopping this off, but I don't want to waste too much time with this. Can't fit through this station. I mean, look, the airplane part comes off. Just gonna ignore that for a while, because I don't want to get mad at it, which is a piece of plastic. So I was looking up because, well, he was flying in the air. Hold on. Quick, there he is. Flying in the air he goes. Like an airplane. He wishes that he could be an engine airplane. Or a train airplane. That doesn't make any sense. What's going on with the fantasy sequences lately? They seem to be going a bit too far. Now here's Hong-Mei and the focus from this set. Now, Hong-Mei was from China, just like from Yao Bao in The Great Race. She's part of the sequences from Thomas's Big Adventures Around the World in the modern series. And she is part from China, and she's in one of those Chinese episodes. I do remember a Chinese episode from Thomas's Big Adventures Around the World, which Thomas and Hong-Mei raced. I mean, I talked about it earlier in this video, so I'm not going to talk about it again. So Hong-Mei is really good, bufferitis. And guess what? Want to take a look at the Thomas again? Look what happens with him. Look, no buffers from the back. Isn't that strange? That's strange to me. It's probably strange to the viewers that are watching this video, and some kids, in fact. So, it's really good detailing. I believe this marketing, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe this is 1 in Chinese writing. I may be wrong. This might be 1 in Chinese writing. So it looks like subtract number or whatever, 0/5, and that's what it looks like to me. I mean, that's what it looks like to me. That looks like that, but it looks like 1 in Chinese. I may be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that's number 1 in Chinese. I believe she said that's the number 1 that we made in China. So I believe that's how it's supposed to go. It's so weird. Rajiv is from Italy and Hong-Mei is from China. So why do they connect along? I suppose because they're international engines. I believe that makes sense. I mean, they're from other countries and not from the island of Sodor. That's where Thomas belongs. That's where Thomas primarily belongs. I mean, he's the cornerstone of the show, but he's always gone. But seems like the show will come to an end, probably. Reverend W. Audrey is rolling in his grave right now. And Mattel is like, hey, let's pee on Robert W. Audrey's grave. Let's pee on his grave and ruin the show. Yeah, look what we've got. Let's piss on his grave, shall we? To spoil the show. And to spoil the fans that we had for years. That's what it seems like to me. So, I think she appeared in a couple of season 23 episodes. I may be wrong. But That's all I have to say. I mean, I don't know what to talk about. I mean, talked about Hong-Mei. She's a child. I don't think she appeared in the Big World, Big Adventures movie, which is now on DVD, which I'm sorry, fans, but I'm not going to buy it. Because it seems that the manga series is kind of a disaster to me otherwise. Well. I really like the detailing. I like this little light, little lamp that she has. But for right, it's so annoying now. No windows at all. So I might detail him. I might detail Rajiv the most, because he has tons of lack of detailing. I don't know. Oh, what's going on in Thomas's mind? We don't know. For the logic that we have in him, the logic we have in the show. The show's gonna end someday. So yeah, that's all I have to say here for this review. This is Jack Danaher 2001 here, saying thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.